Hi Bam! PM here.
I am here.
Guys, we don't have any ulam! But we have some delicious rice
And
watermelon.
We're gonna make it work.
Yeah.
And chili.
And some chilies. But we went to Chinatown earlier and we got... Whew,
Let me put this away.
I'm very excited on this.
Actually, let me put this all away. A plastic.
This! And it has... Dun, 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 dun.
Get there.
It has... Look! It's like unwrapping a baby.
So this is the sauce that comes
Oh!
with it. Wow, we've got the big one.
Yes. So let me take it out of the bag. Maybe you can take this out.
1 second, let me just pull this.
And this is what we got.
Whoa, the whole duck.
A whole duck.
I'm so happy.
This was freshly cooked as well when we got it earlier. Oh my god, look at that.
Ah, I'm a really big fan of duck.
We love roast duck. So
Bam,
Bam, we have a knife. Where should I start?
So we're just gonna chop it in here, leave it here, and then
we're just gonna
eat.
carve this. I'm just gonna start carving it here. Ooh, wow.
We need a duck for this, you know.
Woo. I'm just taking the... Is this a wing? Yeah, the wing part. Oh. There we go, Em. All yours.
Ah, look! I've got it looks like a drumstick, but that's a drumstick. They're big and juicy, look.
Oh, wow.
It's so yummy.
There we go. That's one of the meat, which is just pure meat.
That tastes like...
So we're just gonna basically...
Without the sauce, it tastes like lechon. No. This part. Nice.
By the way, grab something to eat.
Oh, yes.
Eat with us.
Yeah,
Let me try. Try this one.
Oh, yes. Okay, this is the sauce. I'm gonna start with the rice. Rice and duck is the best. And the sauce.
And this is the meat.
Here, my love.
Thank you. Oh, man.
Okay, can't wait to eat. Chicken fam. Let's dig in this duck.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna eat with my hand, baby.
I know. But what with the bowl?
I'm just gonna eat from here.
Oh! No, I'm not gonna lose you.
Let me know when you want meat and I'll carve them for you.
Okay.
Oh man, you're so good. Oh wow.
What have you eaten so far? Look, that half of this is destroyed already, and PM hasn't had any rice.
Yeah.
Have you had rice?
A little bit.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh my god, we're dripping over here. We're dripping with
You could have just put
duck
it there.
fat.
Okay, I have to.
Ooh.
Is it me or is this too oily or?
It's very oily, but it's very nice. Oh wow. Just carving this, man. Ooh, wow. Fam, have you ever had duck like this?
Wow. This is Leon's favorite. So Leon, if you're watching, come. I don't know how to eat this. Oh, can you grab me the plate, please? The big plate. And put this away.
You're gonna eat there.
Yes.
Look how oily this is.
Because I don't like my rice really hot. So I'm gonna...
You don't like anything really hot apart from me, baby.
Oh yeah. Yes. Okay.
Here's the drumstick.
He's listening.
So I know that you guys like when you go to Chinatown, you don't eat duck like this. They normally like slice them up for you and get everything ready.
Then you can request without bones or with bones.
Yeah.
And you like it with bones?
Yes. That's why we went and got a whole duck. And do you know what we thought?
Why not take it home?
Let's do a mukbang.
And why not take it home with us and share it with your fam? Whoa. I like this part.
This is like eating lechon, isn't it? I got you some meat over here, Baba.
Oh, sorry. I like shredding it myself.
Okay.
But thank you though.
Ooh, wow.
Come, oh sure, come. Do you want to put it aside?
Okay.
There you are.
We're sharing.
Yeah? Love you.
Love you. Where's my meat? Where's my chili? This is so oily. I'm dripping with oil.
So it's sweet. Oh, very good.
Oh my god. So I am decided to eat in this massive plate. Well, it's a tray.
I'm good. Now what? How are we gonna open this?
I don't know. So fatty.
I'm not a left-handed, but that did it.
Let's try this leg. Got this drumstick, bam bam. Look how golden that is. Oh, it's amazing. I've never had duck this way. Never.
And apparently, it's better than the one that we get chopped up, right? I've got it. It's really hard without tissue. Oh my god, we forgot about it.
Look at some.
Mamaya. Oh, look at that fat. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is like a bird lechon.
It is.
That's what I said. Okay.
Oh, man. Fam, help. It's so... Oh. I'm not even going to use a knife anymore. I'm just going to use my hand. Oh, look at that meat.
Oh. We're gonna destroy this this duck.
Look! That's dripping with fat.
Get this off for me, please. Ito.
What?
Like that. I don't think our knife is big enough for this. I know I said I like scattering it, but it's too hard.
This is full of fats. Like, Everywhere is fat.
Okay, do you want me to grab some tissue now? Oh, you're fine.
Yes, please.
Which one?
Tissues. So I had to put tissue underneath this because all the fats are going everywhere.
Put rice in here. I don't want that.
More rice, please.
Unlimited rice.
Yes. Eat all you can, rice.
It's too hot. We still have
There
some.
we go. Meat.
Whoa, you cut meat.
Yes.
A massive meat. Oops, sorry.
Have you ever, guys, eaten duck like this? Ah! Have you ever had it before like this? I know when you have it at the restaurant, though, it's always cut up, isn't it, in pieces? And you can even have it with no bones. But on this one, it has the whole thing, including the head. Actually, not the head, the neck.
The bum.
Yeah, and the bum. Oh! Oh my god.
Whoa.
Whew! Look at that meat.
It's so pink.
Oh! That's when you know it's freshly cooked, isn't it? Look at my hand, fam bam. It's full of oil. Just wipe my hand for a bit so that I can eat.
Yes, please eat with me.
Oh my god, it's full of oil.
Just
a little bit
I think
of
it's a good
sauce.
oil. I'm not sure.
Well, it's duck fat, isn't it?
Yeah.
If the duck is really fatty, then you will have a lot of fats on it.
Oh. Question is, how many times is it fatty? Oh, careful.
See this? Mmm. Some radish. Mmm.
So when we got in the restaurant, it wasn't that packed.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to choose our bird.
Yes.
And we selected the biggest one.
It's exactly the same price for all of them.
Yeah.
So why not get the biggest one?
And you've got the fresh cooked one.
Mm-hmm.
So juicy.
I almost like, just the one that's still dripping. That's what it is. How do you like your duck cooked, Fam Bam? And where's your favorite restaurant that you eat your duck from?
Oh, we've got this duck in a restaurant in Chinatown called Four Season.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's one of the best duck.
They definitely do our favorite duck over there.
Yeah. They have the really good one. Good duck in there.
Mm-hmm. We always go there and eat.
We've got our radish again and a watermelon. Just to... We're just tired.
So basically, whenever we fancy duck, we always go to Four Seasons down in central London. In Chinatown. Because out of all the ducks that we had, this is the one that stands out, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's in London, by the way, Fam Bam.
Plus they always have a queue.
Yeah, it's always long queue over there. You know that the restaurant is good is when they have like a massive queue outside. Look how
They got there around 12 o'clock, right?
no. What's that?
Oh no,
3
o'clock.
Mm.
Oh, wow. Okay.
But the thing is, whenever we go there, we only eat two types of dish. Morning glory and this one.
Oh yeah.
And plain white rice.
They have morning glory with minced beef, Sauté and minced beef.
Yeah, in sizzling plate, sizzling bowl. That's what we like. It's Malaysian style apparently.
Yeah, and it's really good.
No more meat.
I think I have enough meat in here.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm gonna have this one.
Oh.
I'm gonna slice this bit.
So oily.
I know. The only this is the only thing I kind of don't like about the duck is that it's good when it's fatty, but if you're the one who's chopping it, you're gonna get all the juice, the oil, the everything. Sorry. So yeah.
I have so much oil in my face. Okay.
It's good with the radish though.
Yeah.
It kills the, how do I say it? The oiliness,
Yeah.
the fatty flavor.
We were gonna have it with kimchi,
Yeah.
but I think this duck is too much.
It'd be good with kimchi too. But
Yeah. There's a big fat in it.
the problem with duck is that once you had all the meat, there's pretty much nothing left for you to eat.
Yeah.
Unlike chicken, chicken has meat like in different places, right? Like this one, all you can see now is the skin. Because the duck doesn't really have a lot of meat. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it doesn't really have a lot of meat.
Because in chicken, you have like a small layer of meat on
Yeah.
the back. Well, this has it.
It's not that much though compared to chicken.
So what you're saying is this is more muscular? No.
Yeah.
Chicken is more muscular.
No. This
Yeah.
chicken is more meaty than the duck. The duck is more lean, shall we say. What? You having the bone, yeah?
I can't really eat the bone. Can you have this, please?
I'll have this.
I don't think I'm... As much as I really love that part, I can't chew on it. You know what's better?
Well,
I think I can have vinegar sauce.
yeah?
Yeah. But this does it.
But that has sourness into it.
Yeah.
So it
Sourness
kills
and
the,
sweetness on it.
what you call it, the umai.
What's that in English? No. Ah.
So like you're getting tired of the taste. Because of the fats. So it produces different flavor in your mouth, then you can eat more. I love that crunchy part at the end. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Really bad idea. I'm wearing my watch.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to take out my watch.
This is why I don't have my ring. I don't have my watch.
Oh my god. It's full of oil. I'll clean that later.
Oh no.
I know. Oil everywhere. It's so good though.
Yeah, it's good.
It's really, really good. Especially when you have it with this. With the radish.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Watermelon!
Oh, more meat in this duck. It's full of bones now.
Here.
See what I said? Duck doesn't have a lot of meat.
Though this part has meat. This part, I think.
It's full of fats. It's not meat. But, Bam, this is so great.
BM, I think you need to improve your
Well, we're carving skills.
carving skills. Remember last time I tried to carve turkey?
Yeah.
And it didn't go well.
No, it didn't. Did not go well at all.
It's not dry as well, which is good. I can't believe we just put every single rice in there.
Yeah.
The whole bowl of rice.
Well, we have a whole duck, so why not? I like picking from here.
Let's put this back.
Don't you guys think so? It's nice to pick from the body itself. Like when you eat lechon at home, like back in the Philippines as well. You instead of getting some that's already chopped, you're still gonna go in there and like grab bits and pieces.
Not even the chon fam is also even roast chicken.
Yeah, you're still like,
I'm still gonna rip it apart.
cause it's nice that way. Like you work hard for it. In a way, if you cooked it, then you worked hard for it. But oh my God, look!
Oh, trust me, if we have our moms over here, they're gonna finish that whole thing, cause they love bones.
Oh yeah.
If we have
And
our
ate.
moms, oh yeah.
Ate Ja loves bones.
Leon doesn't. Leon would love this.
Yeah. But she would love this duck though. Don't you think? Man.
I think Leon likes it too. I'm not sure.
Does it?
I don't know. He just like what he likes as a baby.
Well, to be honest, Ate, when she was pregnant with Leon, she was eating roast duck like every day. And we were like thinking, sis, is your child is gonna look like a duck by the time that she comes out or he comes out? Because she would only eat this. My brother-in-law had to go to central London just to get this anytime that she wants it. Yeah, you know, what's that saying that they say, pinaglihaan? Like the cravings when they're pregnant. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. And it's true what they say, that when you're pregnant, you would hate the smell of rice.
Oh yeah?
Some people would eat it, but they'll be out of the house when it's being cooked.
Where? Every pregnant people.
Some.
Okay.
Because Ate was like that. She could not stand the smell of rice being cooked. For some strange reason. I don't know why.
I'm full.
I'm full too. I have no idea what happened.
Sorry, Doc.
I think I had too much Coke. Alright.
I had my haircut. Well, haircut in the middle. Well. My gulay. I'm so full. I'm so full.
Me
You
too.
finish that whole thing. That's a whole meat.
So this is all we have left for from this duck. It's the ribs and the fats inside. Still got a ass though. Look at that ass.
I bet if you have if a fam that loves or that cooks duck, they'll be so disappointed at us.
How we carved this. Don't worry, fam. We're still gonna eat this later. This will not go to waste. We'll probably make what? Soup out of it. It will not go to waste. I promise you that. All I can say is that this duck is so fatty.
So
and oily.
Yeah.
My hand is very shiny because of the oil. Ah, man.
Can't smile again.
You guys hear that crunch? Mmm.
Oh yeah. Massive.
Mm-hmm. Alright. That's it. There you go, fam bam.
It's really
I'm really full. Technically, we eat a lot of rice.
Oh yeah.
Because that was a whole bowl of rice.
I think we ate most of the rice.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly rice.
Yeah.
We still have this.
Thanks, Fam Bam, for tuning in with us today, and hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the food that you ate with us. And thank you for tuning in, and hope you're having a great day and night, or night, wherever you are.
Or afternoon.
Or afternoon. If you haven't hit that like button yet, make sure you do, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so that you can get notified as well when hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a video. And thank you all for watching, and we will see you again in our next video. See you later. Love you, fam. Bye.
Love you.